Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will guide you the step-by-step process to how to remove the stand of AOC monitor or base. So, the first step is you can simply unplug your AOC monitor from the power source. After that, you will see, here are my AOC monitor. So, to remove a stand or base, you can see here in bottom of the section of AOC monitor, a pull switch. You can simply pull this switch upward and after that pull the base, and then you will see here the base will be removed. Now we see how to remove the stand of AOC monitor. So here is the stand of AOC monitor. So you can simply pull this stand to upward directions and after that you will see your stand will be removed successfully. Now your AOC monitor is free from the base and the AOC monitor. So you can also place this AOC monitor to a wall mount if you want. So here are the steps to remove the AOC monitor, stand and base. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We will catch you up in the next video. Goodbye.